Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to format a trend line in Excel. On my screen I have a chart already prepared. It's a scatter plot. To make it interesting, it's actually real numbers. It's the temperatures for different cities in the US and the latitude and longitude, and I thought it would be interesting to show a plot of the temperature versus latitude. So I have a scatter plot here, and the first thing we're going to do is make a trend line. And so what I'm going to do is click on one of the data points, and then right click and do add trend line. On different operating systems and different versions of Excel, the exact appearance of the menus may be a little different, but that's what you want to look for, is add trend line. And the default here looks like a linear trend line. You can also do different forms depending on the data you're trying to do a regression to.